Okay, test 1, 2, and 3. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Hopefully. Nick's hit F5, and hopefully it'll refresh everything. Alright, hold on. F5, and hopefully it'll refresh everything. Oh my god, it's fixed, isn't it? It's fixed. It's my audio processing. The only problem is... Alright. Tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was... man, I don't got a story to tell you. I got nothing, man. I'm drawing a blank. I'm not a creative guy tonight, apparently. I've used up all of my creative juices. It's better? It's better? Okay, so at least I was able to isolate what is causing it, and I'll have to see about fixing it. Is there like a hum or is there a buzz in there? I'm gonna reduce. Let's go to. Sorry guys, I'm playing with some stuff. There we go. Is the mic too loud in the music now though? Thanks, Coruscant. Grim, did I fix the gun? Which gun problem? There's a buzz. Hold on, let me turn my fan off for a second. Is the buzz still there? Let's hear it. Let's monitor ourselves. Hold on, guys. There's a buzz. Hold on, let me turn my fan off for a second. Is the buzz still there? It's not buzz. I heard it too. It's not buzz. It's there is what's the best way to say it? There's like a 1K or 2K noise on my output that I need to EQ away. It is what it is for today, guys. At least the audio is not choppy. It's probably better than it being choppy audio. I'll get it cleaned up though. Don't worry, I'll get it cleaned up. No coconut treats today, Coruscant. Add him up, you don't want to know what it takes to be a moderator around here. Azernus doesn't even like to talk about it. Why do you have ringing in your own ears, Azzy? You think it sounds good, Charles? Alright. Okay. Well, we're going with it for today, guys. I'm sure it's still better than what it's been, right? So, improvement. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. I was in a meeting. I've been in meetings all day today. Not a meeting. I've been in meetings all freaking day today. Which is why I'm a little late. But only a little bit. And why I'm extremely hungry. Oh my god, Screamer, that's so mean. Don't say that to people. Like Potato does. That's true. That's true. You don't even want to know what Azernus had to do. Screamer's a people person. Oh my god, I'm so hungry and thirsty. Rob, you have a question. What am I doing in C++? What in C#? And how do I combine it? Rob, I don't really combine the two. Generally. We do one of our games that we're working on today. Anderton Station is a C++ based engine for our game. Our side project game, our zombie dating simulator, which has no name yet, is being done in Godot, which is another C++ game engine, but it's primarily around their Python-like scripting language. I had to write some custom tools for the zombie dating sim, and that was in C#. And by the way, guys, happy Thursday, everybody. Happy Thursday, everybody. I know we're up and running now. Sorry for the audio troubles the past couple of days. Sometimes you get a whole new recording rig, and sometimes it takes a little while to fine-tune it. Sometimes it takes a little while to fine-tune it all. We'll get it there, though. We'll get it there. Don't worry. It'll get back to being beautiful. How do you learn programming in C++? Rob, do you program in any other languages right now? It's not Friday yet. No. Let me check something here real quick, guys. I'm gonna hit test. Okay, just want to make sure my chat is working. Make sure chat's working. Rob, you program in C# right now. So it should be pretty straightforward for you to go pick up C++, Rob. If you want, there's a really good set of books I just linked to you on C++. If you're a C# developer, those should be pretty simple for you to pick up and start using. Start learning some C++. How do you learn it? If you want to know how I learned C++, is that what you're asking? You talk with another streamer that's about not moving to the earthquakes? The middle of the game did make me. Hold on. So Jetty. My what you need to know about my earthquake clip, buddy. My camera at the time was on top of a monitor that had a very narrow base. So while the earthquake was going on, my monitor was moving around a lot more. At the top was my camera, so it looked way worse than it really was. It was way worse than you think, buddy. Jetty, how do you deal with like black ice, freak snowstorms, hurricanes? You're on the East Coast. You're probably out of tornado range. How do you deal with all that stuff? Rob, how I learned it was in junior high. When I was 11 or 12, I started programming C++. And I kept up with it all the way through high school. Then I went to college for my comp sci degree. What's up, Tommy Twitch? Add him up. I think my chat is like 3/4 non-American. The non-Americans love me. Almost as much as the ladies love me. We're going to get started here very, very shortly, guys. I'm going to send out my tweet right now. And we're going to be working on our save system today. Just give me a moment. Okay. Alright, Twitch. Tweet is sent. That's the word I was looking for. Tweet. Wowzers. Wowzers. Jetty, hold on. Blizzards, hurricanes, you can go underground. Jetty, for an earthquake, just go to an open field. You're fine. Go stand in a door jamb of a one-story house. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. What's up, Alex? These are so good. I should not be eating them, though. I shouldn't be eating them. What you need to realize, Jetty, for earthquakes, California, buildings and structures in California are designed around earthquakes, right? So you can go into a door jam in a one-story building or a one-story home in California, and you'll be fine in an earthquake. Raul? I feel homeless sometimes. I feel homeless. One second here, guys. I need to load something up on my other monitor for somebody just momentarily. So bear with me for a second. Let's grab that'll work. Okay. You're from California too, Rob? Right on. Unless you're standing near the open field that opens and swallows you whole. Oh my god, Charles. Oh, Raul, I am not offended at all, dude. I said, sometimes I feel homeless, man. I wasn't offended by your comment. I wasn't offended at all. Okay, one second. Where? Okay, perfect. Okay, reply. No. Oh, okay. It's sent. It's done. I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. Oh my god, Alex, you're everywhere. You're everywhere, Alex. Bumblebee, what was the problem with the audio? I don't exactly know yet. What I do, though, what I normally do, I take the, on my streaming PC, on my encoding PC, I take the audio from my mixer, and I feed it through some EQ software to EQ out a few things, like to take out that some background noise you're probably hearing right now, and then feed that into OBS. For whatever reason, that software, using it, is causing some type of clipping weirdness to happen. So I just took it out for now until I fix it, until I figure it out. What's up, Classic Bolt Thunder? How you doing, buddy? Boop, 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 boop. He has to be dug out of his house virtually every single day for 6 months. What? The hell, Screamer? Giant truck going by. Why are you freaked out, Jetty? Jetty, you went through it, and you were fine. After the fact, you got freaked out? What's up, Tara? Why not, Alex? Why not talk about earthquakes? Why not? What's on the menu for tonight? SRF Gaming, you talk about what programming menu or what I'm eating right now. Because there's two menus, there always is. D Cabot, how good am I with Java? I mean, I'm okay with Java. I don't use Java in and out every day. So I'm sure there's much better Java developers out there on my stream. Are you a Java developer? Are you learning Java? To Cabot? It's supposed to be solid. But Jetty, the ground was solid. It was a solid mass, just slightly shaking below your feet. It was still solid, though. I don't think they do, Alex. I don't think live coding has a mobile version right now. Thanks for the follow out there, my friend. Thank you so much. Who was that? Let's see if I can catch it here. Decabit, thank you. Both, SRF Gaming, both. We're going to be working on the save system. We're working on the save system today. We're going to finish it up. We've started working on it. I just want to get it done. Get it done with. Other than that, on the food menu, I'm eating these. They're really bad for you guys, but damn, they're so delicious. Some milk chocolate covered, peanut butter filled pretzels. That's a lot going on in a little bite. That's a lot going on in a little bite. That you're crazy yet? I don't know yet, Jetty. I don't know. You're making a small 2D game design pattern. I can look up for user input control. Oh, you want to use a design pattern for your user input control. But I want the events to obviously occur in the relevant subsystem. Off the top of my head for user input control, I'm not coming up with a nice clean design pattern that you could use, but I recommend you go check if you haven't already. I think he covers some user input stuff in this book. Go read that book. It's free if you want. Pay for it, though. I recommend you do. It's an amazing book. Support that author. I think he covers some design patterns around input, though. If you want to go check it out, maybe it'll inspire you a little bit. Hopefully. Okay, let me get everything up and running. I gotta get my Reddit post out there. Let me do that right now. Yeah, save system day. By the way, if you guys don't know, there is a new pre-alpha out and available for anyone to play. It includes the Rebel art and animations. That is done. That's all done. Plus some other minor fixes and cleanup. Okay, submitted and out. That's done. All right, let me catch up with chat now. What's going on, Alex here? Do I recommend a tutorial online for C#? I have some experience in other languages. Alex, I don't... Alex, I don't know of a good C# tutorial online off the top of my head. Maybe someone in chat does. I usually don't follow. I don't keep up with like development tutorials on the web. So good. I'm using Git, Vaz, yes. I am using Git. Will there be another giveaway today? There's a giveaway every day, Zealot. I'm so good. We do giveaways all the time. Alright, snacks are done though, guys. I'm here to make everybody hungry. That's kind of my job. If you haven't realized this, I just work for the food industry. And I'm here to sell product. I'm here to get you guys to go buy just whatever food. I don't even care what it is. I work for a conglomerate in the food industry. So go out there and buy some snack cakes, some tasty snacks. Or, I really don't know. I got nothing. I told you I'm not, I got nothing creative going on today. I think all my creative outlet went into playing some Skyline. Which, by the way, pretty awesome game. I don't know if you guys have played Skyline or if you like SimCity games or city building. Skyline is, it's what the new SimCity should have been. Okay, what do we have here? Let's get ourselves started, guys. What do you think? Time to go? Time to do this? I want to do this. Now you're hungry? Let me, oh my god, I need to scroll. Chat, I'm so sorry. My chat wasn't scrolling. What's up, Ping? How you been, dude? You have a sub wrap up? Ooh, nice, Charles, nice. Am I gonna stream it, Jetty? Probably not. Probably, no. I don't think so. Okay, here is our thumb. We disabled it for now. We're gonna re-enable it because we put out a new build and I didn't want to use the save system. It's not ready. Damn it, it's not ready. Let's turn our DevTools back on. I'm just undoing our release build. And there we go. Who knows, Nylox? Who knows? Never, probably. I've been doing great, Ping. Been doing great. Build the city by vote. That could be a lot of fun, Jetty. Twitch plays Skyline. You guys want to do some Twitch play Skyline sometime later tonight? What's fun about someone butchering a game and making it look bad? What are you talking about, Azarnus? What's the job for today, Dragon? Save. Save system. What do you guys think? After we finish up the save system, you want to play a little Skyline Twitch votes? If it's after midnight, Jetty, it'd probably be. Ping, probably a few crazy things. Ping, you should go play the pre-alpha and let me know. Asmonus, are you not a fan of Skyline? Is that what you're telling me? Dragon, we started the save system. We haven't finished it yet. We're going to go finish it all up. We are going to go finish most of it up. So yeah, so where did we leave off in the save system? What we save and reload right now is most of our procedural world generation. So levels, not all of them. There's some more we have to do, but we're saving off quite a bit of everything. We're not saving any of the player data for the space station. We're also not saving any of the rooms. Right now, I'm going to go fix it so we get the rooms and the portals resaved next. All right, Alex. I get it, buddy. I get it. At that point, you could submit your research paper so don't be distracted. Something like that, Jeds. I don't know what midnight is. Charles, I don't know either, but Jetty's like way ahead of me, so it's not midnight my time. Astronus, you haven't got the copy from my inventory yet? To try it, dude. That's awesome. That's awesome. So many Tamil files, Dragon. That's Torque 2D, my friend. Torque 2D uses Tamil files. We're going to switch it over to Babel files today as well. Alex isn't your middle name, but yeah, but you're Alex to me forever and a day. You're my Alex. You don't want to be my Alex? Alright, so let's keep going through on our save system. We're already calling the planet manager to save, which is going to call every planet. Well, we're going to save the station, which is a planet. It's going to go through every map and save. We got to get more data into our map save right now, which is up here, right? We save our state. Right now, this is for the planet, which is fine. When we get into the planet, a map of the planet, saving state, all we save at the moment is the random seed and the property bag name so we can regenerate this map exactly the same. There's just some more data we need to go and save with this. Dragon, may you ask my name. You haven't figured it out by now, Dragon? Are you really telling me you haven't figured this out? That you don't know what my name is? It's Wilkie, of course. I mean, come on. Why else would I be streaming under this name if it wasn't my name? I mean, dude. Dude. Yes, so in our cleanup, this is the better way to go. We need lights. We need to restore the lights. No, no, these gonna get recreated. These will get recreated. No problem. Rooms need to get recreated. That's what I'm not doing right now. And we want to just go do that. Okay. Time to work. Time to work. And you know what? If we work hard today, we'll reward ourselves and we'll all play a little Skylines together. That's not your name, Dragon? Then why the hell is it your Twitch name? I will call you Dragon. I'm gonna call you Dragon, dude. Don't worry. You're my dragon. You're my little dragon. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore, guys. I don't know what I'm talking about. There should I? Okay, so object. Let's grab the object. And we want to serialize this. How am I doing planet serialization for each map? I just want to remember that. We use sim sets. Excellent. Then we create a temp object and we save out the state. And we just call map.savestate. Okay. Okay. I can do this. Oh, I could do this. So we create our own little map save for each room. We'll call this a map, because it is. We want to save its state. And here we call save.rooms equals new sim set. And we store it right in here. There we go. That escalated quickly, Screamer. Me feel terrible at the skill of my coding. Oh my god, Nilox. I love you, dude. Nilox, don't feel terrible, man. Don't feel terrible. Let me ask you this, and I'm not in any way trying to compare myself to, like, Jimi Hendrix. It's just an analogy. I'm nowhere near Jimi Hendrix's level in software development or anything, alright? But if you are a beginning guitar player or even an intermediate guitar player, and you heard Jimi Hendrix, would you feel terrible at how you play the guitar because of how amazing Hendrix is? You're a big dragon, not a little one? If you want to... Dragon. It's the new My Little Pony, My Little Dragon, yes. Nilox, you made a 3D Pong game, dude. That's awesome, man. Can we play it? Can I play it? Enderkin? Yeah, that's how I came up with the name of dude, Charles. What am I gonna do with you, Charles? You should feel inspired. Oh, I just compared myself to Hendrix. But no, I'm not trying to compare myself to Hendrix. I'm just saying, just because you're learning something and somebody out there maybe is better than you at it, that doesn't knock anything away from you, man. That doesn't knock anything off of you, right? You're still learning. You're still progressing in your skill set, in your career here. Just keep at it, and you will get better. But don't feel bad when somebody else is better at something than you. Maybe they've just been doing it longer. Who's late for Zin? I don't know. You guys are all late, not me. It takes some serious marbles, Screamer. I got those marbles, man. I got them. I got them, dude. It's cool. All right, so we're backing up rooms now. Will rooms get restored? Not yet. We got to do the load state aspect of this. Just going to copy this so we can reload. That's right, reload. And there's going to be some more data we still have to keep saving. We're not even close to being done, but that is okay. Here comes our save state, right? This dot rooms we need to clear. And we're going to go through, what did we save? This dot save, this dot rooms as well, right? Let's go grab each room object, get the property name because it is another map. Get the property bag, go create the map, load the state, but don't add it to there, add it to our rooms. We don't need this code, and that's kind of the basics of what we need. So now we're backing up rooms, restoring rooms, but that's not going to give us, again, we're still not done. We need portals. We got to back up portals now. This dot portals. I'm just thinking, do I need to back up portals, or will these get recreated if I set next and previous correctly? And I think that's really all I need to do. We don't have to back up everything because we repopulate the map when we load a save file. Rooms are now not going to be empty, right? This will be set. We'll get the same placement because we use our placement points, which are regenerated from our seed. Regenerate the room. Get the linked map. Okay, so we're going to create a new portal. Perfect. All this is fine. We just need to set if it has a parent map. If it has a parent map. If it has a previous map. And if it has next map. That's all we need to back up. And I think we'll be okay. No, Dr. Michael, Alex is alright, buddy. Alex is alright. He just gets a little excited sometimes, but he's fine. Alex, how should you learn to make games and what language? Well, the language is not the important part, Alex. Just learning to write software is the important part, right, buddy? If you need to find yourself a tutorial on how to write software, there's oh my god, there's so many out there, right? Depends on how well you learn. Oh, I understand, Mike. No problem, Big Doctor. It depends on how well you learn, Alex, right? Do you learn better by going through a tutorial on the website? Do you learn better by watching live streams or YouTube videos offline or a book or in person? But you know how to do console stuff but not visual applications within Alex. You need to take that next little baby step into writing some visual applications, right? So don't write a game as your first visual application. Write some Windows-based or some dialogue-based application that has some buttons and some input stuff for you to mess with. That's my stream title for Zin? I know. Dragon, I will call you Dragon. Done. You should do it. You should do it, Dragon. Change your name. You're hooking up the scripts once they're done. Furzin, this sounds like you guys are coming along super nicely. And not have it fail, Jetty, that's everybody's real test. What's up, Rob Space? How you doing? How you doing? Tech Andy, it's amazing, man. It's amazing. A little late today. Just a smidge late today, but it's no problem. How do you learn? Alex, how do you learn? I don't know. How do you learn? That was my question to you, Alex. Don't ask it back to me. How I learn is not how you learn. I need to write a function that will undo what my transcend function does. Descend, Bane. What do you... Transcend and descend. Why are you asking me this, Bane? Are you trolling me, Bane? What's up, dude? What's up, Bane? Oh my god. How's work going, Bane? You're behind on that? Yeah, I'm sure you guys will catch up. How do you learn how to make visual applications? Alex, I told you, buddy, right? You go find... what language are you programming in? What's up, Nix? Alex, what language? What language do you want? I'll give you some specifics. Oh, ascend and descend. Transcend. Oh, hold on. Transcend is something else. Are you trying to trick me here? Transcend. What would be the opposite of transcend? Is there even an opposite of transcend? I don't think there is. I don't think there is. But we can come up with something. So if you're writing a transcend function, call it the loser function. Works crazy, Bane? Oh my god, tell me about it, dude. You want to learn C++? Alright, so Alex, if you want to learn C++, you first need to learn to do C++ console applications before you transcend into visual applications, right, Alex? So go mess with some console stuff in C++ first, Alex, and then we can progress you into some visual things. Nix, that's local scope, yeah. It's just for, it's local scope. This is global scope. Global, right? A $sign is for global scope. It's weird scripting language. That's all it is. No, Bane Death. I think the opposite of transcend is like lose. I mean, the definition, right? Means becoming an idea. That's not exactly what transcend means. It has lots of meanings, Bane. Go for it, Bane. Create a new word. When API is the worst. But then why use, this is for local variables, right? This is local scope. This is just how Torque2D defines variable names, right? They need a token to define variable names. Otherwise, they don't know if you're talking about a function name or whatever else. Because if you don't give it a variable name, this is just converted to a string. It's their scripting language. There's no good answer. It's just what they decided to do. Mortal realize. So you're gonna transcend and then you're gonna mortal realize. Do it, Bane. Please write a function called mortal realize. Please do it. Please. That would make my day. If I saw a function somewhere in some code and it said mortal realize. With, by the way, please do not put a comment on that function. Let me go and figure it out. Nix, it'll be in a little bit. J. Alex, if you go look on Code Academy, I'm sure Code Academy probably has some C++ tutorials. What's the program? Oh, Nilox, this is Torreson. It's the TorqueScript IDE. I love Torreson, but only when I'm working with TorqueScript. All right, so let me see. Do I need I don't need a backup portals. We just need a backup parent map and all that other stuff. I'm thinking, though, how am I going to back up parent map so that I can recreate the parent map? This is not an easy thing to do, by the way. Because I could back up the parent map type, but I don't want to do that. I need to back up the parent map index. And how am I going to... Oh, you know what? I know how I'm going to do it. So when we save state, right, we have rooms. We're ultimately just going to call map. We're going to come back in here to save state. If there's a parent map set, I need to pass something in for this. I need to know what the map is. I'm going to pass it in because we just need it, right? So here is the parent map. Well, it's not this. It's this is the parent map. We're going to pass in the parent map. So if this has a parent map defined in our save file, parent map. Oh, I need a parent map IDX. Oh, no. I just want, okay, if parent map. Oh, I don't, I am all over the place today, guys. I am all over the place. In the save, just has parent map is true. And to clean this up even more, right? I just need a flag to know if this submap has a parent map. If it does, when we rehydrate this from the save file, we can reassociate that binding. I'm going to do that right now. Now, in load state, maybe we need to know about this. Because we're going to go through rooms. I'm going to... We're going to map, we're going to load state on the room, right? On O. Add it. Then we just say if O dot has parent map. Map is our new map we created. And we'll say parent map is equal to this. Parent map set. Next and previous map. Those are going to be harder. Back to work, Bane. Later, buddy. Thanks for stopping by, man. Messing around is the best way to learn, Furzin. I agree with you. I agree with that. How does one make their own scripting language? Dragon, go read the Dragon compiler book. And no, that's probably too much. How do you make your own scripting language? Dragons, go look up lexers and tokenizers. And they'll probably get you down the right path. If you look up Flex and Bison, those are some open source lexers and parsers, or lexers and tokenizers. That's where you want to get started on writing your own scripting language. Oh my god, the mystical Poku has made it. A ton of tickets in your queue, and I'll be chugging all night. Good thing I have a Wookiee stream. Oh my god, Mystical, you showed up at the right time. As soon as we finish up our save system tonight, I think I'm going to be doing Twitch plays, some Skylines, and I'm going to let Twitch decide how we build a city in some SimCity. I think we're going to do that later tonight. Only because it's a fun game, and it's Thursday night. I'm the world's number 0 programmer. Oh my god, Nilox, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I get a person. Alright, so parents map is getting reset. How am I going to do next in previous map? I think those come out of... I need to store those as indexes. So we'll go again. We'll say... Ooh, this, I need to fix this. Wait, hold on. If has... This is in load. Nope, I'm in the wrong place. Save dot next map IDX is equal to get map IDX for this dot next map. We're gonna write this function right now. Get map. Oops. Train object. Get map index for the map. We just have to run through all the maps, which I can't. Do I have parent here? I need to go up one level to the planet manager, and maybe we can do it at the planet manager. Let me check here. Does a map know about its planets? That would be something good to be passing in. I don't know if I'm doing that, though. We pass in properties. So there's previous next, right? Portals, rooms. There it is, right? There it is. Dot planet. Okay. I do. Because I want to call this dot planet dot get map IDX. And we want to define this at the planet level. And all this is going to do is run through our list of planets. Less than map count, right? It's going to be amazing, Mystical. It's going to be so much fun. Oh, I know. I know, Mystical. Not if you're writing on Pascal. Ooh. Ooh. What does today's hat say? It says... Let's see, if you guys heard it, it says Fishworks. It says Fishworks. Alright, so, sorry guys. Maps, get objects. Oops, I don't want to pass in map. Let's just get the object from I. If the object equals map, we want to return I. Otherwise, we're going to return -1. And we're also going to do a shortcut check on input validation. If map equals 0, return -1. That way we don't even have to run through all this if there's no next or previous map defined. So now we can just say save next, say previous. And I think that's all of our linking. I'm going to debug this. I'm not saving this yet, am I? Oh, maybe I re-enable it. Let's go find out. There we go. Right, we're going to go save all the rooms. Which has 1, it looks like. Okay. Has parent map. This does. Does it have a previous map? It does not. Or it doesn't have a previous, it doesn't have a next. This one has a parent map. So we're saving all the rooms right now, it looks like. Which is fine. This is good stuff. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs! Let's fix that. Let's see, string always evaluates to 0. What? For... What did I... Oh, okay. Let's fix that. Is that the reason for all of this? It might be. We're passing in an front object -1 to call save state. -1 is map because okay. Let's try it again. Let's see what's going on. One second, Nylox. There you go, man. Okay. Kind of just want to see when we find not a parent map. Okay, there's not a parent map. Next IDX is 1. Previous IDX is 2. Perfect, guys. Perfect. So then, how do we load this back up, right? We have our parent map. This gets a little tricky right here, by the way. This gets a little tricky. I'm thinking we're gonna have to do this at the planet level on the load, because there's a possibility that this map index is not going to be recreated yet properly. We have to wait till they're all done. So that is when which is okay. When we save state, right, this is us loading all the maps back up. I have to wait till all the maps get back into our collection before I loop through them again. So unfortunately, there's some slight optimized ways of doing this, but for the number of items that would be in these collections, it's okay just to loop through them twice. It's not going to be a huge performance hit, right? We're not talking about collections that have 500,000 records or 800,000 records. We're talking about collections that have like 5 records, 6 records, 10 records maybe. So it's okay if we loop through them twice. Otherwise, how we can do this in an optimized fashion, after we get the save objects, where do we do that at? After we load state, right, if we get the save object, we would check if it has an index set for previous and next, and we would cache that into a sublist so that we can then iterate through and rehydrate those at a later stage. On demand, typically, right? So when we have to go and recreate the map, if it has that index set, go look up the map in, you know, there's optimized ways of doing it, but this is, we can brute force it. How is it going, Zog Machine, dude? How you doing out there? We're working on a video game development. We're working on a roguelike sci-fi 2D platformer. Okay. Back through all our lame-o maps. We got to get the save object. We'll say if next map IDX not equal to -1, we can go get the map from this dot maps dot get object of o dot next map IDX, and then say oh, hold up. I need another piece of data. We don't normally save it on here, right? Dynamically add it. I need to know what index to find this map at, right? Because this is just the object that we don't store in the map. I'm gonna go do the index of it. This map IDX is equal to this dot maps get count -1. That way I can get map. I can get that's the next. This is O, right? Yeah, okay. The O map is equal to this dot maps dot get object of O dot this map IDX, and then we can say O map dot next map is equal to map, and that will relink that, and we just have to redo this for previous map. And there we go. Hydration should be fixed. Let me make sure I'm doing this right, though. Okay. Or you could encode planet ID and offset into the planet's maps as the map ID. That's true, Furzin. That's true, right? When we save it, when I create the save file, I could store the index in the save file. That's true. But again, it's not that big a deal. What is Flappy Twitch, Alex? Flappy Twitch was a tutorial stream I did a while back of where we wrote a video game in one day, live on stream, as a beginner tutorial for people out there. So good. Oh my god. That's so delicious. Yeah, the problem is, Jetty, living expenses is kind of a ton of money. Sort of. Right? And that's... It's really hard to make that happen, Jetty. That's really hard to make happen unless you have something successful out there. Now, I think table tennis is an awesome project, awesome idea, and you have the game pretty far along. So maybe, because of how far along into the game you are, you might have a shot. But you have to try, absolutely, Jetty. You've got to try. If you don't do it, you won't know. Do another tutorial right now, Alex? Maybe. Flappy Twitch is not the best game ever. Oh my god, can anybody beat Flappy Twitch? I make hard games, guys. I'm sorry about that. I don't think I make easy games, do I? Can anybody even get past 3 points in Flappy Twitch? Is it too hard? Is Flappy Twitch too difficult? I know someone streamed it a while back, by the way. Someone was streaming Flappy Twitch. The hardest Flappy game known to man. We need to debug this now. I know the save state. We debugged that. Load state has parent map. That'll get reloaded. I need to test this side. And also make sure we don't have any bugs. I'm sure we have a few more script errors. There's a few more. Wow. Let me delete you. That's right. Let's close you down. We gotta reload. Now we're gonna load the save file. This is what we've been doing for testing. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Did I not put my breakpoint here? I'm gonna call add entry. We don't have the end map. End map, oh, we're not resetting end map and start map, am I? That's fine, let me go fix that. When we save state, we have some lookups we're not saving. Which is starting map and end map. And it's going to go to this new system we just did, right? After we see save state, save dot starting map. Oh, I have starting map IDX. I don't have end map IDX. We have another way of doing this, which is good. Just grab it and map. If map is equal to the end map, save.end map. This is kind of what Furzin was saying we should be encoding on save, right? We do it for some of our stuff. This.cleanup? Come on. Come on. All right, so we get the end map IDX, and then in load states, if save dot end map IDX is the index, I'm going to say this dot end map is equal to map. Let's delete you because you're invalid. Close you down. What are you about? That's fine. Oh my god, so good. No errors, no errors. But it's supposed to have a thingy right here. Make thingers. So we have a map index, right? We're gonna go get our map index because we want this to be our next map. And we have a previous map. That doesn't have a next map. This doesn't have a previous map. Okay, good. Okay. Let's go see if everything got set up correctly. Did we get Alvin? Oh, hold on. Hold on, Alvin. Let me fix this, guys. Of course you did. Alright, live coding TV chat should be back in the mix. Zog Machine, that was not C++ you were looking there, that was TorqueScript. That was our scripting language in our C++ engine. Alright, important to see if, doesn't look, am I not getting doors? I forgot to debug to make sure we're recreating doors. We're gonna go look at that, because it doesn't look like we are. Close some stuff down. I want to open up our save file. And just see what we're saving. I was born. So there's our rooms. But I'm just saving up a Tamil ID. Are we not reloading rooms? Am I not saving rooms correctly? Let's go take a look. Let's take a look, shall we? There's our load, okay. Is that kind of retarded? Zog Machine, I did not create this scripting language. A lot of scripting languages, Zog Machine, have variable tokens, right? There's a lot of scripting language that use variables, that use tokens for variables. This is not necessarily say it's local scope. A percentage sign just says this is a variable. If you put a dollar sign, it says it's a global variable, but they don't just use variables by themselves, like some other languages, right? They use percent sign to differentiate variables from strings. Each language has its retarded moments. What's wrong with Sublime Text? What's up, Wicked? How you doing, man? No problem, Zog. And keep in mind that TorqueScript is a very old scripting language. How we wrote software, how we thought of designing programming languages, it's for web dev. Sublime Text not just for web devs. Sublime Text is just a text editor, Zog. It's just a think of it as enhanced Notepad. It's too pretty for programmers. Sublime is too pretty for programmers. You probably don't want to see my Visual Studio then, do you? Here, let's open. I don't think he's gonna like my Visual Studio, guys. I don't think he's gonna like our color-coded Visual Studio. I like you, Zog Machine. I like you, man. But remember, how we used to think of programming languages 10, 15, 20 years ago is not how we think of them today. So using weird things like a token to designate a variable in modern programming things is weird. 15 years ago wasn't so weird. Get ready for the Pretty Pony programmer programs. It's my little dragon. Dragon, where you at? Where you at? You're my little big dragon now. You can even make Vim colorful, Emacs colorful. Make your editors colorful, guys. It lets you see stuff that much quicker and that much easier. No reason not to. Okay. No. What did we even change? We were messing around with stuff. I want to make sure when we go into a room. Yep, alright, let me exit out of here. Will we reload? No, we should have already reloaded that. We are not saving something. No problemo. Let's take a look again. Oh. I think I remember what I am doing wrong here. Let me remember. Create a sim set. Starting map IDX. That's new, okay. We just add it. That's our planet. Okay. Okay. Alright, so when we save rooms, it's, let's see, we have our save. Create a new sim set. We get the map. Create a new object. We add the save. Map, save state, write this. Even though we don't need to pass that in anymore, but that's still not causing this problem. All right, let's debug through here. Vim for live streamer. It's saying, yeah, Notepad++ is good too. I go back and forth between Notepad++ and Sublime in Windows. What's up, Dragon? Yeah, the tokenizer does not care one bit. Except that in TorqueScript, there is a difference, right? So if I call function and I pass var, or if I pass var, these have two different meanings in TorqueScript. In TorqueScript, if I use this tells me this is a variable, and go grab the value stored at this variable. This means it's a string. This is the equivalent to doing this, which I don't have to do. Actually, it's the equivalent of doing this, right? Instead, I could just say var, like that. That's in TorqueScript. There is a unique difference. Okay, so we have rooms. We get the map. We create a temp object. What just happened there? Save.rooms. We want to add. Looks like we're storing. So we have map state. Let's take a look here. All right, so there's rooms. Count. Okay, good. This map is going to get saved. All right. Maybe we're just having problems that deep. I've heard of the engine Erklet. Yep. You had to use it for your first year assignment. That's weird. It's kind of a not supported engine anymore. First, it absolutely doesn't make the tokenizer's job easier. You're right on that. All hail Wikipedia. I like it. I love it, man. Wikipedia man strikes again. Intel Wikipedia gives you bad information. You guys hear about that article? That Wikipedia administrator that got kicked off Wikipedia because he was fluffing up some Indian business school. Because in India, most people in India have free access to Wikipedia 0 and Facebook 0, but they have to pay expensive prices for regular internet access. Let's turn this into XML, because that's all this really is. Alright, so here's what we're saving. We're saving it. Here's a sim set. Okay, good. Which has a save object. So this is a map. And it has a save object data, which has its own set of rooms. All right, here's our rooms, right? In rooms, just like maps, I don't do things something special. We might have to go look at my save object. I don't think I'm doing anything special with this. I think we just reserialize this to rooms. We'll step through this in the C++ side, but it's another sim set, which has save objects, which has rooms of an empty sim set, and it has some fields, right? Property, blah, 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 some repeated def. And then here's another room, and here's that third room. This looks okay, actually. I think we have to debug this from our save object deserialization side. I'm going to do it right now. On custom read. All right, we got our root node, and we'll keep monitoring this as we go, right? So we're looking for the data node, okay, which is this. We're looking for this save object.data. Am I in release mode? I am. I'm gonna redo this. Hold on, guys. I want to be able to step through this properly. Release mode is just a little too difficult to step through. Is everybody excited to do some little Twitch plays Skyline after we get our work done tonight? We're gonna do a little Twitch plays Skyline. I hope you guys are prepared, and I hope you guys know how to build a proper city in SimCity. Okay, so root node. We're gonna go get the objects. This root node does not have objects. What? Let's take a look here. Well, here's our root node. Definitely has objects and fields. Doesn't have maps though. Where are you at? Go away. You won't last. You'll make it, Nilox. I have faith in you, buddy. So I don't have an objects node. Interesting. We do have a fields node, and we have a set node. Am I already in the first object? I might be. We might have hit this data right here, right? We might be in the planet, which is not a good thing, by the way, if that is true. Okay, so we have some set nodes. Which will get us back a sim set. Which should be. Okay, let me get the node name. No object nodes, no field nodes. We're kind of done, by the way. Well, we have a few fields, right? So previous map, IDX. Oh, we're deep inside. We're on the deepest aspects of this. Okay. Yeah. Yep. That's fine. So let's step through where we get the children, we get the first, okay, and then get the proxy object. which looks like we have it already. Good. Okay. Okay, so if we look at... I forgot how this parses. Oh, it's a sim set, so... the object list out here. From the object list, we can get the array, element, not counts. Well, let's get both, right? That and element count. And we want it, where do we want this? Right there. So there's 3 elements. Okay. All right, we can get all 3 elements. I just want to see what the heck we're getting back. Well, that's no help. It's no help. This should be a save object, I believe. That's not how I want to grab that. So much casting going on in this little window. Alright, so this is valid. Yup. This is no easy way to see our properties. We can't debug it through this way. Unless we look at node.getNodeName. Because I want to see rooms, and I want to see the sim set. Looks like it's working, though. We're setting the sim set. Alright, let's go back to script. Why I hate him so much, or as my wife said, please let me know when you have some time to talk with me. Let it be in 20... Oh my god, Trackley. Or, have you talked to your wife? Did you talk to her? Lots of tickets tonight? Nice. How does someone jump into C++ with both hands in front of your face? Sumo Kid. Do you program in any other language, Sumo Kid? Do you program in anything else? Out of curiosity. You had answered, Trackley, so I guess you talked to her, huh? Oh my god. Trackley, please don't get a divorce because of my stream. Trackley, go talk to your wife. Let's go do it. So rooms, guys, we have rooms. It's definitely being saved. We can see it in the save file. And it's at the terrain object level. When we load state, why is this not coming back? Oh, crap. Oh, my God, guys. I am a buffoon of a Ramoon. Buffoon of the Ragoons. There we go. Alright, let me stop this. We can't call create map this way. Instead, we need to call this.planet.createMap. Because we gotta pop up through our planet to make sure the map gets created. And then we'll store it on ourselves. Let's test that. You have 2 weeks off, good for you. And for me, Trackley, that's true. That is absolutely true. Alright, we got a map. We load it. Okay, let's go see if we get some rooms now. Lua HTML5. Okay. So wait, hold on. Let me kill this guy. So you got some Lua experience, and you want to jump over to C++. Is that what you're saying? It's always something simple, Scott Graves. It's always, man. You know it. What's up, Trump? How you doing, buddy? All right, let's go check rooms. Let's pop into a room. So every time we reload the game, this should be exactly the same. And I'm going to go try that right now. So if we restart the game, because we have a save file, we're going to load the save file. That should be exactly the same. Kill this guy, because he's exactly the same. These are in the exact same positions. I love it when a plan comes together. And this should be exactly the same, right? Alright, let's check the other maps. You guys want to see the boss? When's the last time anyone got to see the mini boss for the demo? Because I'm gonna go. I have to check him out too. End of the map. Am I going too far here? I forgot how big we make our maps. Much bigger. Is that right? There's the end of a map. End of one map, by the way. And I gotta go see that this map has its rooms. Uh-oh. Where am I going here? Hold on. Invalid. Okay, so something's broken there. I don't know where we keep cycling through. Interesting. All right, so we'll have to look at this. We'll definitely look at this. We're not setting up links between rooms correctly. It's fixable, of course. Everything is fixable. Cities Skylines was made in Unity? I didn't know that. I did not know that. Okay. Hope this is not the same map. Yeah, we got a couple of verification things we need to do. In fact, just to make sure this is not the same map, I'm going to clear this map out. We're going to go back to the first map and go back to the first door and double check. Because I actually might be still on the first map, right? We might not have even ported anywhere. I'm not logging anything about which map we're going to. Yeah, Furzin, definitely problem for sure. Problem for sure somewhere. How long have I been working on this game? 80 days. We're on day 80 right now. Yep, we started 80-ish days ago. We haven't streamed. I stream 7 days a week, but a couple of days we take a break and do something else on the development stream. We don't work on Interkin Station. But this is the 80th day of development. Okay, let me get to the end of the map here. Oh yeah, this is the first map. Where is it gonna take us? I don't know where it's trying to take us. Looks like it's generating a new map each time. Alright, let's go solve this. Which means we just have a bug in next map, right? So I'm going to delete my save file. I want to put a breakpoint here when we grab next map. And then in planet, when we load state, okay, so we get this map. Thinking. Is this okay? The next map is map. Let's find out. I think that's what our problem is here. Yep. Ah. What are you guys trying to find out? The heck you guys trying to find out? Okay, so next map, IDX, right? At some point we set these. That's from 0 to 1. Is that the only next map? So there's only 2 next maps, I believe. Oh, yeah, we go to 0. And then we go to 1. So this is, next map here will be 0. Let's close that down. Because I want to load it back up. Make sure we're able to load this up, right? Oh. That would probably be what's going on. Thought I was storing this. This map IDX. Oh my lord. OMG to the bejeezers. Dynamic languages, boys. Dynamic languages. Alright, I'm gonna say it's fixed. And we're gonna go find out. Alright, let's go port on over into the map. This is not the map we should be on. Let me check here. Yep, we're linking this wrong. Or we're not linking next map. Alright, hold on. End map, that's okay. Next map and previous map. Let's see what these get set to. Okay, so old map getting looked up now. 1357. Previous map is set. '52. Next map is set to 1, right? But we're in map IDX of 6. Why is that? Am I setting this wrong? I might be. So I'm thinking. Let me debug on this side right here. Okay, we grab the save. Station main is our first map. We get the properties. We create the map. Wait, does it create map? Doesn't create map, add it. Add to list is true. Get rid of you, get rid of you. Let's call internal add. Just to make sure we'll put a breakpoint there. And internal add is already adding to maps, which means I just need to make sure internal add is not getting set here because I'm overriding that. I think that's my bug. I'm adding maps twice when we load them. Let's check that again. Wait, where did I just do that? Oh, we need it in both places. I add maps here as well, right? Yeah, let's breakpoint there. Okay, good. And breakpoint right there. Trading Shiro, what's up, dude? What's happening, Amarin? You want to know what do I unit test? Scott Graves, I do unit test like engine level stuff. Unit testing game logic scripting can be kind of a pain in the ass. Now, I agree, I probably should do some unit testing around our save system, right? Because this is generic enough, this is not UI driven, it's not game logic driven necessarily. This is just a pretty low level engine system we're coming up with, and we should be unit testing this, Scott Graves. We should be. Who won the Xbox One last night in your giveaway, Amarin? I don't even know, buddy. We still have it. It wasn't even won yet. Amarin, tonight, dude. Amarin, tonight, after we finish our work here, we're going to be doing a little fun thing. We're going to be doing Twitch Plays City Skyline. I hope you're interested, and I hope you're around. Only for polygon and collision logic? Yeah, like engine stuff, absolutely unit test, right? It's not that difficult. It's easy to do. When you start getting to higher level game logic, it's like trying to unit test UI middle tier. It becomes a pain in the ass. And sometimes extremely difficult. What's up, Droid? How you doing, buddy? So let me make sure on something here, guys. When we create rooms, create a main, right? Generate random rooms. Yeah, okay, we passed false already. Perfect. Perfect. So I don't care about you. I want to load states. So map IDX is 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm going to delete my save file. We're going to run the game. We're going to close it down. Then we'll reload it so it loads the save file. And see if it's fixed. Boop, 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 boop. And then I want to show you guys the mini boss. I haven't done the mini boss in a while. We need art for the mini boss still pretty badly. It'll happen before Kickstarter, but we're not there yet. All right, let's get to the end of the map. Oh my God, I got a door. That's a good sign. Let's make sure we don't fall through the door, which we don't. Good business. to you. And this has one room. Okay, good. Let's go to the end of this map. You guys want to see the mini-boss? The incredibly, impossibly hard to beat mini-boss through this door. You guys ready for this? You guys think you can handle the mini-boss? I mean, I'll do it. I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna do it. Couple of bugs. Because we're loading from a save file, and static stuff doesn't necessarily load right from the save file. Because this door should be locked, but we're not storing that state if it's locked or not. We'll get that in there, in our save file. Let's do this! Oh my god. There's no chance for us to live through this, by the way. We haven't come back to really tweak our mini-boss in a long while. There's just been other stuff we've been dealing with. But the trick is to use the terrain to your advantage. Use as much of the terrain to your advantage as possible, so you don't get hit. Take out all of these guys first. And the real trick, by the way, is not to kill all 4 of these right away, because whatever you kill is going to respawn on the next wave. You want to get 2 of them on one side very, very low, so that when I kill the heart here, and we, I'll show you guys in a second. Let me do it. So that when we can safely kill the heart... Oh my god, I'm so bad at doing this. Oh, I'm the worst. Or can we even do... Whoa, hold on. Did we break this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we can't... Oh, I messed up some collision stuff. We can't even kill the mini-boss! We changed around our bullet system. And I don't think we went and tested the boss out again. I can't get past his barrier. Even with the opening, because we have a hidden collision here that prevents the player from getting in here, and it's preventing bullets. We'll go fix it. Nobody has ever gotten here, by the way, in the alpha. Yeah, Zog machine, we have some bugs we implemented with the new bullet system in the mini-boss room. Through by being right next to it? No, no, you can't. Furzin, we got rid of, we don't use sensors for bullets anymore. We know they're lying. Azernus, right? Right. It's alright, we'll go fix it. It's not too crazy to fix. And we'll even shortcut ourselves into the boss. For testing, right? Because we're testing. We want to get right into that station boss room. We go into the player. I think we do it in reset here now. Okay, there's our starting map. Just double check that we get in there, and then we'll debug this and see what's up. There we go, alright. So now this is closed, right? If I reload this game, the save file doesn't have this state that we should be locked in here. And, yeah. And, yeah. Yeah. But if you are on the left or right, your hand might be far enough away to spawn it on the inside. I don't think it's, well, let's go take a look. I think I created the collision boundary large enough that that's impossible. And I'll show you right now. Let's turn collisions on. That mini boss too OP. Let's go see. Oh, yeah. We can't load here right from the save file. Because of my shortcut. Just gotta delete it. Or not. That's all. That's not good. That means I have a script error. Because I do that kind of thing all the time. There's my script error. Okay. So if you notice here, on the inside, there's a collision. There's a giant collision circle. Sphere. That's what's going on. So there's our sphere, and it's just impossible to penetrate that. And we're gonna go fix it. In the station. And create the boss room. That's computer object. Create boss room. So here's the boss. There's the collisions we're gonna set up. Which comes from the mini boss object. Do I create a separate or resize? Thought I do. I'll find it in here. No, no. No. I might have to look in our Tamil file. Which is alright. Just double checking real quick. Alright, good. Okay. Let me see if it's in here. No, that's just our polygon. Is it in mini boss's door? Mini boss door. No, that's just the door. All right. So our platforms. I haven't looked at this in a long while. Spawn mini box inner. And there it is. I believe that's where we attach it to. Circular shape. That's our collision, is this. Let me take this off. Just real quick. Let's see if that's what it was. It's been a while. Nope, that was our internal collision. Why am I having trouble finding this? Alright, there's our internal collision. Maybe it's when I add it to the scene. Player from getting inside the ball. There it is. There it is. Right, so there's our scene group. There's our collision groups. Let's open up our collision mask. We have a... I thought I created a bullet mask. Or did I not? Oh, no, we have a little helper for this. If I can remember where I put it, of course. I think it's an app core. Collision groups. We have a whole bunch of collision groups. There we go. So the player bullet is going to collide with 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. No problemo. Now we can truly, truly look at this. Right, because it's in collision group 2. Let's close some stuff down here. Alright, it's in collision group 2, and it collides with 3 and 4. Bullets. Let's see where this is being used. It's in 2. It collides with 3 and 4, right? So bullets collide 1, 3, and 4. It's in 2, though. But we do add it to there. I don't think that gets overridden. We use it in weapon object, creating a projectile. It's in scene group 11, and it collides with everything there. That's right. So this should not be colliding. It's in 11. Right, 11 is our bullets. Unless this is getting overridden. Because of how we do this here. But this is add to scene. No, this should not be a problem. Yeah, should not be a problem. It's in scene group 2. And it collides with 3 and 4. A weapon, bullet, projectiles, in scene group 11, and collides with bullet set. Collision bullet set, right? Not the player bullet set. Oh, I'm being a dummy. We have a player bullet set where we do collide with 2. Right, we do collide with 2, and this is in 2. This is 2. What is 2? Or just entities. Okay. Okay, so to fix this, and this collides with 3 and 4. We just need to move this away. It doesn't need to be in 2. Player bolts 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Right, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 5. I'm going to put this as its own player body. Let me test this. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention to chat, guys. Anything out there that I'm missing out on? Alright, so now, just want to check. Oh, crap. We're about to die. Woo, I'm so fast. I'm so fast. Get on my level. Right, we can now hit the heart. But we cannot. We can't jump up in there. Okay. So as I was saying, the real trick, and by the way, bullets no longer penetrate past it as well, right? So it's not freakishly hard as it was 2 minutes ago. So the real trick to beating the mini-boss is that you want to get half of these turrets really low, kill the other half so you have a little bit of freedom to work here. Kill the heart at that point, using the terrain as cover. And you got to be on the ball when this happens, by the way. You got to be super duper on the ball. Because as soon as this closes up, you're going to be fine. You'll still be getting attacked by the other ones over here. But as soon as you hit this, you got to get behind some cover. Because you got to take one of these out very quickly. The other two are going to be very low. They should both be one hit away, right? So you should be able to kill them extremely fast and just kind of rinse and repeat that process if you need the room to breathe. Okay, so mini-boss fixed, mini-boss fixed. Fix a couple things up on the save for the mini-boss. And then we'll test out the save around the mini-boss. Actually, if I have a save and I'm at the mini boss, what's gonna reload here, right? Is it just gonna rerun the mini boss? Okay, good. Good. Where do we do the kill for this guy? We set this as locked, right? Yeah, spawning turrets. I think this is where we do... This is where we do it. Open door. Mini boss action. This dot parent dot door is open. That's what I was looking for. Oh no, that's something else. That's not what I'm looking for at all. Mini boss on kill. There it is. Set locked false, so we just unlock it on the exit portal. So, is there a get locked? Because I kind of want to look this up in the save file. I forgot how we did this. Set locked false, right? So if we look at the portal, let's go add a get locked function. And then just return this dot is locked. Oh, yo ho! And this is only for end portal triggers, huh? End portal trigger. I think we use everything. We call everything an end portal trigger, just not a door. Okay. Well, at the top here, when we save state, right? If save dot previous, you know, I want to do this specifically around. We don't do anything special for the station, do we? We might have to inject it because this is pretty specialized just for the station planet, and we're kind of writing generic code at the moment. There's no hook for this station-specific planet to have a safe state pass. Welcome back, Nix. How's it going, dude? How's it going? 1 second, guys. Yo ho! Ho! Yo ho! Get my chat back up. Sorry guys, what's been going on in chat? I've been focused over here. Let me go scroll back a little bit. All right, let me see. What's going on? Man, I got a lot of chat I gotta scroll back through. I'm gonna try to do it real quick, though. And I'm probably jumping in the middle of stuff here, which is cool. It's fine. I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Man, these things are delicious though. Chocolate covered, peanut butter filled pretzels. Best snack you'll ever have. Best snack you'll ever have. What are you using to code like that, Woozy? What do you mean, what am I using to code like that? A keyboard sock machine. Oh, I'm so far behind on chat still, guys. This is stuff like 5 minutes ago. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, everybody. Apparently chat got all heated up. Mystical Puko, I like Miracle of Sound. Don't you, man? I like those guys. You might be back. He's enticing me to program. Oh my god. Zog Machine, go program, dude. Go program! What else do you modify in Torque besides adding differentiating? Oh, Furzin. Good god. What else have we done to Torque? What freaking else have I done to Torque? Furzin, I rewrote the event scheduler in Torque 2D to support pausable events. Torque 2D doesn't have a pause system. More to the point, they don't have a pause system that still allows me to have like a functional GUI on top of the pause. So I can have a pause and then have like a menu system or an inventory system and still use some schedules and events that aren't paused. But anything that I want to pause, anything in the game needs to pause, right? So Torque 2D doesn't have a system for that. So we rewrote the event scheduler to support that. We rewrote the event scheduler for that. Oh my god, Uzi Monkey with the Guitar Hero controller? That's impressive, dude. So now I don't hear you. Woozy! Hit F5! F5. Boop! Was that some good sign language, guys? What else? What else did we change in Torque 2D? I'm thinking we've done a lot of small tweaks, Furzin, around stuff like that. You know, those are the big things. Updating the render system to support deferred rendering, support not just normal maps, but to support shaders, support a different rendering approach. The event system. We've hacked in some enhancements to Box 2D to support one-way collisions on chain types. A bunch of small little bits and doodads. I can't even remember it all now. Right on, Woozy. Welcome back, dude. You're curious how my text is so clear, Trump? I spend... I know what I'm doing with a video encoder. I know how to set my encoding settings appropriately so that I can encode text. Oh, Furzin, it's mostly a joke, right? I joke about it on stream a lot. That I've modified so much of Torque 2D, it's almost not Torque 2D anymore. We have touched quite a bit of the Torque 2D code, though. We have touched quite a bit of that damn thing. Alright, so I'm thinking... because I don't want to store lock state on doors. Well, I could just store this. We could check it this way. Because I don't think right now... well, you know what? This is where I will save this. Or is it? Excuse me. If the room you're trying to go to is locked, we'll just store that as a flag, and then we can relock. I think I'll do that, and then I'll be that's a generic way we can get the lock state propagated in the save file. Almost daylight, don't even get anything is doing. Oh my god, Jenny rocks, because you just love the look of my face. You love the face. Jenny, I don't know, man. I don't know. What do you do while you're watching me? Absolutely, Furzen. Some people do. Some people do. Maybe you just love my pretty face. I don't know, Janny. I do not know. Yeah, alright. Okay. So when I'm saving our object, we set lock on the portal. So I can see if... Yeah, get locked. You get locked. You go get locked. Alright, so if save.next map idx not equal to -1. I also want to save .next map locked is equal to... Do I have this portal? Let me see. I forgot how we linked the freaking portals all of a sudden. I feel smart again. Oh, next map locked. Well then, there's my flag. Yeah. I just don't want to do this anymore. Because that's no bueno. By the way, this is really bad. This is really bad. Don't do this. I gotta rework that. But we're gonna use this next map locked. This just needs to be done differently. Because the default needs, yeah. If not false, not equal to false, we'll always set it true, right? So it has to be explicitly set to false. Boop, 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 boop. And then we can just do save. It's equal to, there we go. Just store it. And then we'll have a previous map as well. Previous map. In case. And then in load state, this dot. Just reload it. Okay. And we're not going to worry about rooms right now. We don't lock rooms, but when we go to implement that, we'll use a very similar system. All right, so where the heck was I setting this incorrectly? This is a really bad idea. Let's go debug you. Let's delete that. Let's go see what happens. All right. What do you mean, Janny, my streaming area? Don't ask questions like that. You might not want the answer. Oh my god, Asinus, you be quiet. It's okay, Janny. That's all right. What the hell, Aaron? Can you show me the puppet where the fun turret touched you in a bad way as a child because you're trying to figure out what I have against them to include so many in the game? Amarin, how far into the game did you get? What does this mean? It's just a variable, buddy. Oh, sorry, guys. Let me test here. Test. Not what I wanted to test. Delete this. Next portal. This dot next portal. Why would this dot next portal be locked? Oh, yeah. We don't... This is something slightly different. This is where it was before, right? And we say map.next is locked when I create the computer. Oh, yeah. Which is good. That's we do want to put this into the save file. We need to test this differently. So I'm getting myself confused today, guys. Just a little confused. Go back to the station computer room. We can test this now. Alright, so next map, not set to anything, which should, if it's not equal to false, if not set at all, this dot next map locked equals to, or if it's true. Alright, so the initial, it's going to get locked. And you got to go talk to computer to unlock it. But I got to be careful because that's for game state stuff. I got to override this because in my debug mode, I can't talk to the computer. So I'm going to put a little override on here. And... Oops. And... was it DevTools? If equals is this, and DevTools equal false. Okay, good. Let's make sure this is unlocked. Oh, I gotta keep scrolling. I was missing chat. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, Fruzen. It is not, Amarin. It's, Torque script is not object-orientated like that. We fake it a bit by setting the first variable and call it this and making sure it gets passed in. But you don't have to call it this. I could call it my object if I want. What's up, Toys? How you doing, buddy? The guy is a bug. A noisy bug. Who's a bug? Are you calling me a bug? Are you calling me a bug? Alright, so sorry. I want to check my save file. Am I not saving? No, we are. This needs to get unlocked. I'm not happy with how I did this for this save file system. I mean, because this is fine to use. You know, we use it here. I need a way to unlock this, though. And then also set that to not locked anymore. Station computer room, so we go map dot. Where are you at? Thank you. false after you talk to el computer. I'm going to turn off DevTools in a second just to test it. Okay, let's do that. Because that kind of messes with it. Delete the save file. Okay. And we're locked. Good. Talk to El Basso Computero. Unset that. Okay, not locked. But we don't save the state out. We only sit because we're just doing testing. It's not going to get saved as locked. That's what's going on. So we get saved as that, right? Next map locked. Oh, and it's getting rid as not locked. Not good. Okay, so I need to think about this slightly different. I just want to think about this different. Yeah. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Get rid of all this insanity. Let's just get rid of insanity. And the station when we create the computer room. Yup. We're gonna say map, which is see map, next map is us, is true if DevTools are set, map.next map locked will be false. Delete that real quick. And I'll show you why this will work. Now we have the save file, right? Good. Next map. Let's see if we can find it right. Oops. Right, so next map locked is set to 1 now. So if we reload the game, map should still be locked. I found this website, Sugar Stacks Beverages. Whoa. So on the Torque side, is it mostly functions, events, and listeners doing everything? Yeah, basically Amarin. All right, so we have this set, right? We have this set in the planet side. This is going to get called after we load up the static maps. We then load the save file, which is fine. It's perfect. So when we load the state, we'll reload whatever was in the save file. So if it's unlocked, it's going to get locked at first, and then the save file will unlock it. Because I want to put in here, not locked. Not locked. Save that, and we're going to test it. Hopefully that's doing what I want it to do. Oh, we're just overriding, aren't we? Give me a second here. Let me do this again. Let me go to our save system. Let me see what I'm doing here. Some loading. Cool. And we have the save. We're going to create it from the save. Get the planet. And then load the state. Load each map. One of these should have this set. Unless I did this wrong. There's not that many maps. It'll only take us a second. Should just put this in our watch window. There is 0, right? So next map locked is gonna be false. Right now it's not set at all. Okay, so am I doing this backwards then? Let me go to the station here. Create the computer room. I want to put a breakpoint here. So we say it's not locked. Okay, then we're creating the computer room after, right? So we're saying not locked, easy fix. If map next. Map locked. If it's not set, initialize it, right? If it's empty, and then if DevTools, always override that. All right, so if we load this now, we also have to get that state in there. We'll get the game state. Would it? Jenny? Every game is hackable and cheatable, right? It's impossible to say that no, my game cannot be hacked or cheated. Every game can. Because how much effort do you want to put into doing that? How much effort do you want to make that happen? Right? Alright, so that state is there. We're not getting I want to use that same state for our boss mini room now. I want to use this same exact state for the boss mini room. And this is if next map, if previous map, okay. Boop. If previous map is locked, we will say this dot. Previous map, right? Don't we set that? Where am I setting this? After at portals. Really, I'm not setting previous portal? I mean, we're gonna go at it right now. It's fine, but I guess I added it for this system, and we weren't doing locks on them. That's fine. So, okay. Previous portal. Get set. And we'll get locked if it needs to be locked. And how is this saved out? In the station planet. When we create our, excuse me, boss room. Let me see. Where do we lock? Where do we lock? Where's it set locked? Chew, excuse me. Chew, excuse me. Kane, what does Tamil mean? I don't know. Torque. Something markup language. Torque. Something markup language. Torque attribute markup language. Something like that, buddy. Alright, so next portal. X, we call this the exit portal. There is an exit portal, that is true. Because that's not previous. That's right, we need to set exit portal. I'm going to do this same thing. We'll use that as well, but we also will have an exit portal that we need to be able to lock. Make sure we save it and reload it. Okay. Okay. Back to here. So this is how we initially lock it, right? When we add this to the scene. I don't need to do that anymore. Don't need to do that. We have a better system to preset it. On the station planet, create boss room. As long as I got the map, which we do, we just say lock player in. We know what the map is already. Map dots. Exit map locked is going to be equal to true, but we again have to check if map locked not equal to. Sorry, if it's blank, we will initialize it to true. Otherwise, it'll just get stored however it was from the save file. All right, let's test this real quick. Right, it's not set. It's set now. So we're not going to reset it, but it'll still be set, which is fine. All right, so I can turn my... we tested that DevTools back on. Let's jump over to the boss room and... because we don't save. That's not going to help. That's fine. That's okay. We're okay with that. But that gets us there. One more thing. We need some game states. Well, not one more thing. We need several more things for save files. In our save system. Save game.game state. Is equal to save game.game. Let's reload the game state. Yeah. Do you live with 20 cats and are you allergic to them? Azernus, I live with 0 cats and I'm not allergic to any animals. Oh my god. OMG, Azernus. OMG. One moment, guys. Just gotta respond to this email. One moment. Alright, I'm coming back. I'm back, everybody. Alright, so let's run this real quick. Let me see your save state, game state's going. Game state. Why are we not storing game state? Why? Oh, why not? Get rid of you. So when we save, let's do that up here. Maybe it's because it's a default value. We don't store default values. And oh, this is before game state is stored. That's not true. It's set up early. Player system main, or maybe hold on. Where are we saving? Yeah, no, that should definitely be set up already. Let's debug that real quick. Look at the call stack in the watch window. Yeah. Interesting. Game state is not set. It's right here, though. Is DevTools set? Maybe it's because I don't know. Let me debug it. Could be because it's a default value. Doop. No, there's game state being set to 0. There I'm setting it to 1. Okay. And there it is losing. Alright, so that might be, I think we're loading. Hold on. This is what happens when you have an old save file. We're overriding that. Yep. 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 So now if we look here, game state. Okay, good. So that'll get rewritten. Perfect. Okay. Okay, everybody. By the way, guys, how is everybody doing tonight, man? It's Thursday. Week is like we're one day from it being over, everyone. Can you comprehend that the weekend is almost here? I mean, I can barely understand it. I don't even know how we got here. I don't know how this happened, everyone, but it did somehow. Somehow it happened. Okay, we have something fun about to come up here. I'm gonna push all this except for save. We're still not done with the save system, but we're getting closer. We're now fully saving out the world. I need to save the player object, like health and inventory and items and, you know, that stuff. Not too difficult, by the way. That's not too difficult. I need to store his stats, like how many enemies he's killed and, you know, all that fun stuff for at the end of the game. More importantly, I also need to store on every map, if you've killed any entities, we need to make that as a flag so that we don't recreate them in the save file. I won't check my Facebook. I almost never check Facebook, dude. Am I missing something super cool in Facebook? Access. What? What? Let me push this. Let's try that again. Is GitHub down right now? By some chance, some weird chance. Let me check. Yeah, are you guys able to get on GitHub? Oh, it just loaded for me. Never mind. It's just running super slow, maybe. It's not Friday, Kane. What is the most common development language in terms of games? Is it C++? C++ is a pretty damn common game development language. Either C++, C#, or Java. Those three are probably the most popular. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. One second, guys. Okay. Looks like, alright. GitHub just being a little slow tonight. Your take as programming apps is the one I'm slacking off in. Sovius, what you need to realize for where you're at right now, the programming language is not important, man. Just learn to develop software. C++ will come later. An enterprise analyst shared today. This is pretty good. Oh, I want to look at this. Let's look at this, guys. Which programming language should I learn first? By the way, before we look at this, there is no right answer. But this should be fun. I like flowcharts. I like crazy flowcharts like this. Let's start. Guys, follow along at home with me, okay? Everybody follow along at home. You're back, Suma? Got bored of C+ videos that weren't helping? I'm sorry, buddy. You're up till dawn, Screamer. You'll never learn? I like it. Alright, why do you want to learn programming? Do you want to make money? For your kids, start with scratch, and then move on to, oh my god, you're done. I don't know, just pick one for me. Just for fun, or you're interested, or to improve yourself. All three of these lead to here. Have a brilliant idea or platform in mind. Nope. Just want to get started. I prefer to learn things the best way or the easy way. Both of those don't matter. I love this so far. The slightly harder way, auto or manual car. Java. Oh, hold on. What is this language, by the way? This is a language. Oh, Python. All of this leads to Python. Gotcha. Java if you drive it auto. C if you drive a manual. This is hilarious, guys. The really hard way. Can you? Let me fix this so you guys can, so everyone can see. Hold on. Sorry about this, guys. That's probably better. The really hard way, but easier to pick up other languages in the future. C++. Oh, we're done with this. All right. Do you have? Yes, you have a brilliant idea or platform. Which platform? Whoa, 3D gaming. Go. Is this going to C++? I think. Okay. Mobile goes to which OS? iOS, C, Android, Java. Web. Do you prefer web app providers? Info in real time, like Twitter. Yes. JavaScript. No. Do you want to try something new with huge potential but less mature? Of course. Where's the yes? Oh, there it is. This should be yes, not startup. I work for... What the hell? What? This is weird. Hold on. No, not sure. Oh, there's no yes. Why is there no yes on here? All right, not sure. Or no. Both go to the same thing. Oh, I don't like this right here. Which one's your favorite toy? Legos, Python, Play-Doh, Ruby. I've an old and ugly toy, but I love it so much. Is PHP. Jesus Christ, guys. Are you in it for the money though? Because that's what you want to make some money, right? I have a startup idea, and it goes right back to those stupid platforms. Get a job. Which platform or field? I want to work for big tech companies. Windows, C++, C Sharp, Facebook, Python, C. This is funny. What platform? Doesn't matter. I just want the big fat loots. Go Java. Oh my god. This is, I'm a fan. Not bad. Suck. What? What do you think about Microsoft? Enterprise. Oh my god. This is hilarious, dude. That's great. I love that, buddy. One second. Amarin, if you want to repost that, you can, buddy. Who doesn't want to make the big fat loots, guys? Alright, sorry. I need to go look at what modifications we ended up doing in the Tamil system, because I need to make it in the BAML system as well, because we want to sort binary. Binary save files, not XML-based save files. And I got to make sure it still works. Or if it crashes, put it on our bug list. So there we go. There we go. Last changed on Tamil. Let's look at the log. I think I made changes here. Yeah. And it was just in here, and it was... Wait, hold on. Who made this? Oh, this is old. This is old. Never mind. I haven't made changes in here. Thought I made some changes. Let me look at the log for the Tamil folder. There's our save system. Okay. Tamil writer. There we go. This is where I had to make some changes, and I think I mean this is Tamil XML writer. So we need to go take a look at this. Okay. Tamil XML writer. What line are we on? 207. Yeah. So if we have a field, we say has fields is true. And we made a modification down here as well, right? Okay, those are only two modifications. More importantly, though, in the binary Tamil writer, what function were we in? Compile custom elements. Okay. Let's see if this has something very similar. It has write custom elements. Okay. Takes in a write node. Let me find something similar. I think this is it right here. Yeah, so iterate the custom nodes. Create the element. Write the name. Kind of need this code right here, right? But this is going to be different. This is stream write atch. How the hell do you write an attribute? Let's go see how they do an attribute. Maybe we are going to get the attributes. Let's see. This is in write an element. Maybe we should just debug before we go make some weird changes. Before we go nuts. Maybe we should just step through. And look at the right. Right? Maybe, guys. Just maybe. So it just needs to be a BAML file, and the system will auto know what's up. Get rid of you. And let's debug it. Everybody I know works there used a lot of scenes. I don't know. I'm going to Amber, and I'm going to refer everyone to that now. One time, I had to use JavaScript for a large project. It made me a better artist because I thought so much about quit program. Oh my god. I know who you are, Amarin. Amarin. You can't hide from me. Alright, let's take a look here, guys. Open stream. Get the format mode, which is binary format. Let's go to the writer. create it. Let's see what's going on, everyone. I've never looked at their binary writer before. Okay, it's going to be compressed. Sure thing. Alright, so let's go write the root node, which is a save object. Write save object. Great. We don't have an object name. Good. Get the ref ID. We don't care. Do you have any reference nodes? Nope. Let's write all the attributes. Nope, we just got to get to custom children. We'll use this as our pretty little reference, right? Right, custom children. Do we have the custom nodes? We do. Get the count, okay. What string do we get here? Data. Get the node children. So we get data, which should then have objects. I want to get the fields. This is where I care about. Sets. I don't care about sets. Don't care about objects. Fields. There we go. Is it a proxy object? It's not. Great. Great. Right. Long string. Great. Fetch node child. So this is where we need to do this, right? Custom node, I think. Because we're just going to get the child count, right? This doesn't have children, so it's not going to do anything. Oh, great. We're going to fetch fields. Ooh, I love it. Maybe this does work. Perfect. Uh-oh. 2 fields. We're going to get each field. We got game state. And random, and we're going to write that out. Oh, this is good stuff. Random. Okay. My hopes and dreams have been realized. So we have a BAML file now, and it's a compressed file. It's a compressed object file, right? So here's our save file. It's a 1 kilobyte save file, right? More importantly, though, let's see if it works on the load. Let's see if we can load this thing back in and get all the right data. So we have a random seed. We have game state. Good, 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 good. I did not debug that the way I wanted to, but that's okay. Looks like BAML files are working without modifying anything. They're just better. I had to go fix XML writing before. All right, guys, I'm gonna just close some stuff down here. Get rid of collisions. Let's check a couple things out in the game real quick around this BAML save, and then we can check some stuff in. And then it's going to be break mode time. We're doing pretty good. We're getting pretty far on our save system. Has anybody tried the new pre-alpha? If you have, what do you think of, since you get to play it up close and personal, what do you think of the new Rebels? What do you think of the new Rebels? Good, bad, horrible? I'm just curious, guys. Well, I think everything looks fine. BAML save files look to be doing the job, which is a good thing. Better than 1,000 turrets. Amron, are you not a turret fan? Are you not a fan of the turrets? The turrets aren't even that difficult. Come on. Come on. Okay, alright. I think I'm extremely thirsty. I don't know about you guys, but I think I'm extremely thirsty. Which means I think it's break mode. And Fun Day Thursday McDay or something like that. Because we're going to do some fun stuff. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Let's push this up, guys. Let's go ahead. Get this all checked in. Apparently, GitHub's running super duper slow today. But while that's going on, guys, while that is going on, it's definitely a little bit of break mode, guys. So if you're out there and you want to take yourself a little break as well, it's Steam Game Raffle break time. So if you can hear my voice, please come to one of my chat rooms and say something in chat so the bot can know you're active and put you in the raffle. If you're out there lurking, keep lurking, but please come to chat for 1 second, say something in chat, and we'll get you going here. And we will get you going. And we have some fun games we're raffling off. We have a whole bunch of fun games that we're raffling off, so don't miss out. Don't miss out, guys. I'm going to get all the games list loaded. Oh my god, yeah. GitHub is not having a good day today. Alright, everybody. Alright. You're here, Tara? Are you sure? Lurk away, buddy. Lurk away. I'll try it when I order a USB 3 SSD, install Windows 8.1 on it so I can boot from it. I don't want to partition my internal SSD. Oh, wicked. That's cool, man. I get it, man. Don't worry about it, buddy. We're going to just have to try this later. I don't know what's up. GitHub is failing tonight. Blue cheese is good? Blue cheese. And guys, so we're in break mode right now. We're in break mode. We're going to do some raffles. After break mode, we are going to, we're going to have ourselves a little bit of a Fun Day Thursday. I'm closing a few windows down. We're going to do a little Fun Day Thursday, guys. We're going to play some Twitch Plays City Skylines. What's going on here? Space Chem. Steam randomly gave you this. I already have it. Someone else can have this copy. There's also DLC incoming for it. All right, Windows. Right on, dude. Thanks for the donation. We'll put that to use. You know we will. But we're going to play a little Twitch Plays. A little Twitch Plays. Some City Skyline. Is anyone going to be interested in that? And by the way, City Skyline, there is a copy of this in my raffle, if anyone is curious. But I think we're going to do ourselves a little Steam Game Raffle, break mode. I'm going to go get something to drink. And then we're going to do a little bit of Twitch Play City Skyline. So what does that mean, Twitch Play City Skyline? That means you guys out there get to tell me what to do in City Skyline. Let's try and build ourselves a little community town. Mystical, we're going to be starting it soon. We're going to be starting it soon. You might be here unless you start it really early. You're going to be here, Mystical Puka. Don't you worry. If you don't want them, you'll take them off my hand, Cade. What's up, Heart Beast? What's up, guys? Yeah, if you can hear my voice and you want a chance to win yourself some City Skyline, I mean, guys, it's in the raffle. Say something. Heart Beast, you don't understand what I'm watching. I don't understand what I'm streaming. That makes two of us. Oh my god, Mystical, you're so amazing. When are you gonna get home? Holds up a monster and smiles. Screamer, have you tried taking half a monster and half Hawaiian Punch? Mix those little bad boys together and try it out. Terry, you want my gift link? Give me a second. Give me a second. That's my gift link. Oh, let me put out my link. If anyone wants to go see what games are available in our Steam library that we're raffling off right now, you can go click that link right there. I just put it in chat. You can go look at my library. I'll put both my links over on the other side. Mystical, right on, dude. That's a Godzilla Screamer. You gotta try it, guys. You gotta try it. No problem, Tara. Oh my god, what else is coming in here? An error. An error! Is this a trade? No, it's a pending gift. The DLC for Space Chem. Alright, guys, so remember, if somebody chooses Space Chem, it comes with not just the game, but some DLC along with it. Oh my god, we've hit 3. Well, that's everything. Let me just go to gifts. It's like, how did we hit 3? That's, oh my god, we're about to hit 3. Jeez. Mystical Puka, don't do that, man. Just drink the vodka or just drink the whiskey. Why would you ruin it with Monster and stuff? This goes to 3 pages! Oh, Dragon Overlord. What's going on, man? Metal Gear Solid 5. Ground Zeroes. Right on, dude. Right on. Some fish tacos from Toys. It's not Taco Thursday. That's not a thing. But thanks, man. We'll put that to use. You know it. You know it. Alright, guys. I'm going to be right back. I am going to go... We hit 3 pages, guys. It was bound to happen one day. I'm going to go grab something to drink, everyone. I'm going to grab something to drink. When I get back, we're going to pull a couple of games. We'll pull a couple of raffles. And then I think we are going to check out some City Skyline together. I know it's not development, guys. I know it's not software development. But, guys, every once in a while, it's okay for us to goof off for a little bit, right? And we're going to do a little Twitch plays City Skylines. We'll see how we can make it work. But bear with me. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I hope everybody missed me. Hope everybody missed me. Yellow chat rules. Oh, Tara. Oh, Tara. Here we go, guys. Listen for it. Oh, my God. So delicious. Oh, so good. Heartbeats. Heartbeats. You're hoping for some programming, for some development. Buddy, I'm sorry, man. If you were to come onto my stream any other time, any other day, that's what we would be doing. I'm here 7 days a week, programming 6 to 8, 10 hours a day. But you know, every once in a while, man, we take a break, we do something weird. Obviously, we take breaks a lot of time, do some Steam game giveaways, but after this, we're gonna be taking a break and doing something weird. So yeah, so I'm sorry that that you jumped in at that point. What's up, Works? You've got 2.5 pages of your... If I can get at least halfway into the 5th page, consider that a 5-page turn done. Oh my God, Jetty. You're getting close, though, dude. You're getting close. You're getting close. Heartbeats, what do I work on? We do indie commercial game development on this stream. We're working on 1.5 games at the same time. Enderkin Station's the main game that we work on all the time. And then every other Saturday, we do Side Project Saturday and work on our zombie dating sim. But Enclave, coming in from Toys. I don't even know what this is, but right on. Right on. It goes right in the library. We're going to give that away. Use a larger font and more white space. Oh, God, Kane. G-Folder, Skylines is pretty good. Skylines is pretty good. And I'm not going to be playing, guys, I'm not going to be playing City Skylines. You're going to be playing City Skylines by telling me what to do. It's a party up in here, Heartbeast. By the way, Zombie Dating Sim, Side Project Saturday. That's this Saturday. We're back at the Zombie Dating Sim, back in Godot. Back to messing around with that game. It's going to be a lot of fun. We won't be working on tools. We'll be back working on the actual game implementation. Alright, guys. Shall we pull a couple winners here? Let's do it, guys. Let's pull a couple winners and see who we can give some games to. So the first winner of the night is going to be Sir Kane. Kane, are you out there? When is the last time you won a raffle, Kane? When's the last time you won a raffle? You're on the clock, 90 seconds. Oh, you know what, Kane? Didn't you just win? You won last... No, you didn't. You won like 4 days ago, Kane. 4 days ago or something like that, right? You know the rules. You know the rules. We're going to have to re-roll on you. We're going to have to re-roll on you. Yeah, Kane. That's all right, buddy. You know how it goes. So here we go, guys. Reroll train leaving the station. Choo choo. Next winner up is Prez of Sprite. Prez of Sprite, are you out there? I never see you in chat anymore, buddy. But if you're out there, please say something in chat. Next 90 seconds. Oh my God, everybody can use some classic Wolfenstein and the Wolfpack toys. Oh my God. Let's do it. Let's get it in here, guys. So many games. We're not going to get through all these. Prez of Sprite, my friend. You're out there, dude. There you are. Prez O Sprite, dude. Congratulations, Prez. What game would you like, man? What game would you like? Please let me know. I'm so thirsty. and so good. Go away. Go away. Okay. Kane, you got banned because you won too often? What? How's that even possible? Prez, you out there, buddy? You out there, Prez? Is Wolfenstein the Old Blood available? I believe it is, dude. Hold on. Let me find out. Let me throw in the wolf here. Wolfenstein, the Old Blood is available. Is that the game you would like, buddy? If that is, just say so. And on top of that, congratulations. I need your email. So if you could please go check your Twitch messages and respond back with your email address, I'll have Steam email you your game. It's good. It's good. You won like 4 or 5. Oh my god, Kane. I would ban you too. I would so ban you, Kane. How often do I do giveaways? Casual fate. So I stream 6 to 8 or so hours a day. Somewhere about halfway into my stream, every time I stream, I usually take a break from development. And when we take breaks around here, we do Steam game giveaways. So, and then at the end of stream, sometimes I do another one. So I do 1 or 2 sets of giveaways a night, is what it comes down to. All right, buddy. Prez, gonna send out your game right now. Please go check your email. Steam's gonna be sending you a message. Go get your game, collect your game, have fun. Let me know how that goes. Give me a second here, guys. Set this back up. Which is every day. Should we pull another winner, guys? So good. It's so good. Give me a moment here. I need to set something up for what we're going to be doing next. And then I'll pull this second name. Yes. Okay. Okay. That should work. Okay. All right. Why is that, Caden? Why should I keep track of how long? Just for statistical purposes? Hazardous, it's still safe, buddy. It's still safe. There's lots of good games in here, everyone. All right, guys, let's do it. Second winner is going to be, you guys ready for this? Oh my god, Hazardous really wants this game. I hope he doesn't win, though. But here we go. The winner is Lycan1534. Are you out there? I know you are, so just say something in chat. 90 seconds, you're on the clock. Yeah, okay, that would be interesting. That would be interesting. And if you think about it, I believe this is sorted by how long it's been in my inventory. So I think this Kobe Treasure Deluxe might have been in my inventory the longest, right next to Defy Gravity and Progate. I think so. Samurai Jazz. I love that game. Oh my god, Lycan, what game would you like, buddy? What game would you like, man? Oh, no, Lycan! No! Right on, dude. Congratulations. Congratulations, Lycan. Azernus is about to ban you from the channel. But before he does, I need your email address. Need your email. If you can go check your Twitch messages and respond back with your email, I will send you the copy of that game. Bought it a week ago and loved it. Right, G-Full, it's a fun game. But nobody wants some prelog or prelogate. Nobody wants it. Tara's not happy with you. Mystical is mad at you. Poor Lycan. Getting all the hate. Getting all the hate. It's how it goes, guys. It's how it goes. Everyone hates a winner. Everybody hates a winner. I guess it's back to your first game choice now, Mystical. Oh my god, Lycan, I got your email. What would happen if I happened to not send it to the right email address and you didn't get your cities? No. Here we go. City Skyline coming at you, Lycan. I hope you enjoy this game. I've been enjoying this game, but I'm a huge like SimCities fan, so it's like right up my alley. Go check your email, though. Steam's going to be sending you a message. The game is on your way. Get it out of my inventory. Oh, we will re-raffle that thing, man. We will. And Preza Sprite sending us in a copy of Half-Life 2. Amazing. Thank you, Prez. Thank you so much, dude. This is old, right? Yeah. Tara's so angry. Let me check something here, guys. Let me see. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, right. Love them SimCity games. It's fun. Lycan, it's so fun. You're going to enjoy what we do next here, guys. All right, so that was our last raffle for now. We will do more raffles at the end of the stream. We will definitely do that, guys. I have so many games that keep popping in here. Portal, dude. Nice, nice, nice. One of the best games out there, man. Portal was so good. Portal 2 still good, too. Thank you so much, Prez. All right, guys, we're going to boot this down. I'm going to boot this down. Should accidentally just send it over to Jenny. Because you're the best. What's going on? Torchlight as well? Prez, what the heck? You have like all these games sitting in your gift library, Prez. I love it, dude. I love it. Where there's no Steam. It's alright, Mystical. Don't worry about it, buddy. Alright, guys. So we're gonna have ourselves a little fun now. We're gonna have ourselves a little fun. So we're gonna be moving away, kicking ourselves away from game development for an hour or so tonight, and we're gonna play ourselves little Twitch plays, some City Skylines. I think it'll be fun. It's Thursday. We've been working hard for weeks and months, right? I think it's okay for us to take a little break on stream. I understand it. If anyone out there, guys, if you're here for the programming, you're here to hang out for development, and we're not doing that right now, now is your chance to escape, run off, and leave me forever, or at least for the rest of the night. But anyone who's interested in playing some City Skyline, or attempting to, because I'm going to do what you guys tell me to do. I'm going to do what you guys tell me to do. We'll never get back Windows. I've never been able to get back to one-page Windows. It just doesn't happen. So that's what I'm going to be switching over to, guys. But because I'm doing that, I'm going to shut down my live coding TV side of the stream. I love me live coding TV. Trust me, guys, I do. But live coding TV is for development. It's not for playing games, right? It's not what it's about. So I'm going to be shutting down my live coding TV side of the stream. We'll be just on the Twitch side. If anyone out there in live coding TV wants to join us, you know where to find me on Twitch. If you want to go find some other development streams, I understand. I get it. I get it. Create all the roads as roundabouts? Oh, forks. Get out of here. We'll see how bad we do, guys. We're going to see how bad we do. So let me do that, guys. I need to stop the stream for a hot second so that I can restart it on just the Twitch side. If I don't comment for the next 2 hours because I didn't manage to get Twitch chat working. Oh, G Fuller, man. Get it working, G Fuller. Get it working. But, guys, I love you all. I'll be right back, only on the Twitch side. Good night, live coding TV fellows, unless you're coming over to hang out and play Twitch Plays with us. But here we go, guys. Be right back. Don't go anywhere.